Hey there, it's Ben from the Church of Clientology, where we help freelancers grow their business. Today I want to make this video about how to get a consistent flow of leads for your freelancing business, okay? So if you could rank yourself right now on a scale of 1 to 10, 1 being you're working super hard for the leads you have now, which are barely any, 10 being you basically have a flood of people interested in working with you all the time, where would you land right now? Okay, so if you're anything like our clients before they work with us, you're probably in the lower range, maybe the 1 to 3, maybe 4 area, right? So I'm guessing you might be working way too hard for the clients you have now, or just the leads. You're probably cold calling a lot, or cold emailing, or just doing things like that. And overall, you probably feel like you don't have a consistent strategy that you can depend on to, something you could do every single day, which is going to generate sales opportunity. So if that's you, I'm going to give you 3 tips right now that you can do to improve the situation. Okay, so first things first, a lot of freelancers, they try to be everywhere, right? You hear guys like some of the bigger influencers, Gary Vee, other people who are like, you got to be omnipresent. Now, this is true at a certain point. It's good to have your brand everywhere, but when you're starting off, you're under 10K per month, let's say, you want to be really all in on one platform. If the question is, which platform should I go into? Well, it depends. Where is your niche? Where do they congregate? Where is their attention at? Is that Twitter? Is it Facebook? Is it LinkedIn? Is it somewhere else? Is it TikTok? I don't know. Go all in on that, and then spend all of your time connecting with your potential niche and adding them as friends or connections or whatever, just starting conversations, okay? And that leads me to my second tip, which is you don't want to sell your service in the first message, okay? So many people try to do this with their DMs or their cold emails. They're just trying to sell right away. And really, even if you're cold calling, sometimes you try to sell right away. Really what you want to do and focus on is selling the next step of your process, right? Now, that might be a conversation, or maybe it's a 10-minute phone call, or whatever it is, right? You're not selling your service right away, okay? It's a huge no-no, okay? Third thing, make sure you have some kind of tool where you can follow up with your leads, okay? We use Pipedrive, our clients use it too, and that helps us keep track of all the people we've spoken to, people who are more interested. Let's say we had a call with them last month and they're like, hey, follow up with me. We just put that in the tool, and then it sends us reminders. So it makes it really easy to follow up with people. We had a client, this happens all the time, so this isn't a random case, but it might be 2 to 3 months after they initially connected, the person's finally like, okay, yeah, let's do it. All because that client of ours took the time to follow up consistently because they had a tool, all right? So don't rely on your memory to follow up with people. That's a big one, okay? So if you want more details and you want the nitty gritty on our lead gen processes, we wrote this book. It's called Freelancer to CEO. And in that book, we dove deep into lead generation. Okay, so if you want that, it's totally free. You can join our Facebook group, the Church of Clientology, which sounds like a cult, but it's probably not. Anyway, should be a link underneath this description somewhere. You can click the link, join the group, and we'll send you a copy of the book. All right. So before you do that, one last thing. I would love to know, comment below, what is the #1 thing you struggle with lead generation right now? And what are you currently doing? What's the main avenue that you're using for lead gen? Is it cold email? Is it DMs? Is it something else? I want to know. Comment below, and I'll read every post. And if you have any questions, I'll provide some more tips and stuff in the comment section. All right, so thanks for watching. Talk soon. Bye.